Actually did what it did. 23 bucks. I'm impressed. I got another one right here about to open. Just been waiting in the mail for it all day. Finally got here. I'm gonna open it. Gonna check it out. This one did not come with an extra battery. The Porsche came with 2. This one did not. I don't even think it's charged. Got tires. Get over there. This one didn't even come with a screwdriver. Let me find a screwdriver. It's not plugged in. Take these screws right out. I don't like these things. Tell you what, my son's gonna have a blast when he comes home. He was playing with the Porsche. He was loving how fast it was. Compared to the Lamborghini, this thing's slow.